Hello YouTube, Rickadil here, and we're gonna go now look at some more of my collection. This will be part 8 of my series, so let's get started. First off, I have I think it's called a Hungarian globe. That is a steel ball circle puzzle. Well, this one doesn't move that great, I guess. I haven't played with it in a while, but I do have 2 others. That comes with the instructions. Here's another one I have. This one does move. You gotta line it up. Okay. And then I have a third one. Another load. Ah! There it is. Ah, man. Okay, I have a puzzle 6. Got 2 of those. These are also old. Impossible. 2 and 3. 3 of them. Ball Memphis Challenge. Disney ball with Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck. Orb. 1, 2, and these are by Parker Brothers, and this is another off-brand. You can tell because this one has orange little button paper thingies. Gear cube. An older pillow cube, or I think they called it a UFO cube back then. A nice 7x7 cylinder cube. One of those. I forget what that's even called. Another one, I forget the name of that one also. Forget how many sides that one has. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. It's like 18 sides. Let's roll. This one, I think, the crossover. A little snake cube from a long time ago, before some of y'all were probably even born. Entrapment. Also an older one by Schaefer, I believe. An old toy company. Another Rubik's World. And yet another Rubik's World. That's a lot of round ones. Another 3x3x3 with painted dots. I forget what that one's called. You gotta match the cards up with the colors right there. Let's see. 2 little ball cubes. 2x2. Babylon Tower. Some Rubik's brand keychain cubes. Oh, here's another one. Zodiac ball. Older 14-sided puzzle cube. Magic ball. Just a 3x3x3 with stickers. That round one. Oh, here's another 14-sided one. I think that's a -1. We have an old snake, then a smaller snake. And those are old. This one's new. Tell by cheap quality. But it's a smaller snake. Let's see. A poker cube. An old wonderful puzzler. Another kind of puzzler. Back in the days when everybody was making them. These are all vintage 8-sided octahedrons. Fairly rare. So how I came across 4 of them, I'm not too sure. It looks like it's missing a blue sticker. What was the older ones? I don't know how to replace them really, unless somebody wants me to, if I'm going to sell them. But I don't plan on selling these, so it's part of my collection still. Another hard to find one. Flower. Another Babylon Tower. This one's not sealed though, like the other one was. Let's see, what else? A Rubik's World. The blue one, instead of the black one. Another magic ball. And another magic ball. Different from the other ones. Different boxes. Packaging. Rubik slide. Ah, sorry buddy. Come on, Rubik keychains. 3, 4, 5 of them. And only one necklace. Rubik's Cube necklace. Another old one. Octagonal barrels. This time I remember to call it right. Octagonal barrels. Cubes. There's 2 of these are kind of the rare ones because they have one sticker that says Space Shuttle on there. So for some reason that made them rare. I had 3 of those. And then the regular. Well, without the Space Shuttle sticker. Oh. Another keychain cube. Got away from me. A modified sticker 4x4x4. All corner little blocks of 2x2s. a magic blossom. You just turn this into different shapes. This is an older version. We have a tiny little wonderful puzzler. Keychain. A little small, you can see. I think it's the 1-inch version. Just got that one the other day. Diamond. Just like 3x3. I think that one's called a Quarks. I forget what that one's called. Dark Mix maybe. I'm not sure anymore. Domino. No, not Rubik's though, but Domino cube. Not a cube. So, you know, they call everything cubes even though they're not cubes. Domino puzzle. There you go. 4 2x2s fused together. A couple of these slide puzzles. You just move them around trying to get different designs. There's that 3 layers. Yellow, blue, and orange. Try to get them all there. Man, I have not used this in a long time, so there it is. Match them up. This one, I'm not even sure what the purpose is of this one is. They all look the same to me. I forget. I even got that. Oh, perfect puzzler. This is flower one. Oh, nice and shiny. Nobody's ever really touched it really, except for me. Another poker cube, different version from the other one. Like 6 or 7 different versions. They all have the same things on them, but just the letter could be different or something else is just a little bit different. But if you have more than one poker cube, check that out. Pucky. These are cool snacks to eat. And they made a puzzle out of it. 1x2x5. Little 1x1x2 I made with just a couple of Lego pieces. Just jam them in there and there you go. And together. And I forget what that one's called. And that is it for shelf number 8. Wow, this is one of my interesting shelves. I like it. So, hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you have any questions, or if you'd like to see me talk about a puzzle and specific puzzle, let me know. I'll try to make a video as I can. Anyway, thank you for watching, and y'all have an awesome time. Goodbye.